Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about the types of schema markup in SEO. Let's get into the video. Schema markup can boost your website's search visibility. Schema markup makes search results more engaging and improves click-through rates. Article schema helps bloggers and news sites stand out. Local business schema for local SEO, product schema for e-commerce. Schema can enhance your website's visibility by promoting events, highlighting recipe details, and improving site navigation. Schema markup benefits SEO by improving indexing, supporting voice search, enhancing local visibility, and preparing for future trends. To boost your SEO, improve engagement, and future-proof your website, implement schema markup now. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. See you next time.